vegan ham sandwich. Somebody said to try this out, and it sort of has a resemblance of ham, and I'm going to give it a go. All right. Roger's a much better slicer than I am. They're all the same size. Mine would be all over the shop, I can tell you. He's patted the tomatoes dry. Well, good luck to you. Will you be trying this?
Yep.
Is this for my lunch?
Yep.
Well, in that case, you might as well use it up because we're hurtling towards the use-by date. What's the pattern for?
No reason.
Even distribution. I'd like there to be a reason. Done with love and care. Am I allowed mustard?
Were you having mayonnaise or mustard?
Both. That's all right, isn't it? Oh look, he's taken this seriously. Vegan mayo. So that we're really getting into the into the mood. Thank you very much. Okay. You don't want to have any at all? You should try it. We're going in. You're making it posh. Can you leave the top crust on? I like that one. Or is this aesthetically against your values? So sandwiches are that much easier to cut if they've been chilled first and if you've used a spread like butter. Notice I said like. Pretty. Oh, standy-uppy. Oh, we've gone random. It's like an art installation. Can I have some of those?
No.
I brought some of these back from Canada. They're very nice. Thank you, Rog. Or shall I take a bite? Tastes like lunch. That's very nice, Roger. Tastes like that's enough luncheon meat. Try it.
Ow.
Go on, officially. What do you think?
Yeah, luncheon meat.
Tastes like luncheon meat. That's very interesting. Okay, thank you for the suggestion. Let us know about other other sandwiches. I better sit down quick because they'll all go. Cheers.